Hello Form 2 student, here Mr. Zheng. So now we are going to talk about the question in chapter 7.5, application of simultaneous equation in two unknown. So I want to take example 16 as a demonstration. So for this question, the special part is here you can find a ratio 3 to 7, ratio 3 to 7. So let's take a look for the question. We say that a sum of money is shared among Jack and Chris in the ratio 3 to 7. If Chris get 120 more than Jack, find the amount of money that each of them get and the total amount that they share. Okay, so maybe we try to answer the question A, the amount of money that each of them gets. Okay, so that means the money X and Y, the unknown X and Y will represent B, the money that Jack and Chris get respectively. Okay, so XY represent the money they get. Okay, so the first one is Jack, the second is Chris. Okay, so now let's take a look. For the first sentence, it's given to you that the amount they get is in the ratio 3 to 7. Okay, so let's think about it on the left hand side. So X to Y equal to 3 to 7. Okay, Jack is 3, Chris is 7, right? Jack is 3, Chris is 7. Okay, alright. So remember that for ratio, you can write it in a simple operation, that is write as division. Right? So you may write X to Y as X over Y, 3 to 7 as 3 over 7. Okay, so the question may be more easy to understand. Okay, and then for the second, if Chris get 120 more than Jack, okay, so that means Chris has more money, so Chris money equal to Jack plus $120. Right? Okay, so actually you have already get two equations. Okay, two equations. Okay, this is the first one, this is the second one. Okay, so we can go to solve the problems. Okay, so now we try to solve it by the way we know. Before that, we may see that the first equation is quite complicated because here we have a fraction. It is a fraction. Okay, fraction of two unknown. Okay, so we may try to change it to a more easy to understand way. So we just write as something like this. Okay, so multiply 7 to x, multiply the y to 3. Okay, 7 to x, 7x, y to 3, 3y. Alright, so we say this is the third equation. And then we see that for the second equation, it has already changed the subject to y, so we put 2 into 3. Okay, so the subject is y, so we put equal the other side to the y in 3. Okay, so let's take a look. Here we have only unknown x, right? So we can solve it directly by using balancing principle. Okay. Okay, and then let's say 2. Alright. So finally we need to answer the question. Z is X. Remember to write the unit $sign. it is. Okay. So for the main parts that we should know how to solve is to change the ratio into division to fraction, and then here we simplify the fraction to a simple equation. Okay, and then put them together to find the answer. Right? So this is the answer of part A. Because part A is asking for the amount of money that each of them get. Okay, so for part B it's quite easy because you just need to find out the total amount. Okay, so you just add them up together. Alright, so that's the end of the whole question. So now it is your turn. You may try to do the follow-up 16 now. Sorry. Okay, follow-up 16. Okay, so here's the answer. Okay. So this is the end of the video. See you